Take 32. This is a video to show you how the Mac bariatric hydraulic lift works, how it deploys, how long it takes. I'm going to show you the cot over here, which is a power load compatible cot, and how it would load onto the Mac lift and ultimately load into the truck. So this little safety bar right here is just something that we put on for this particular customer. It's not a standard feature. They just want it on there so that in the event that the locking device that holds this Mac lift in place didn't work, that's kind of a redundant backup so that it can't slide out on its own. In order for the Mac lift to start working, the very first thing you do is you go over here to the controls, generally mounted on one of the side entry doors, which is just a momentary up or down switch. The first thing you're going to do is push the up button and just barely bring it up, like that. Once you do that, you're going to pull this lock cable just to get it past the locking stage. So it's now past that, we can fully pull it out, and so right now it's pulled out all the way. At this level, you're going to deploy the Mac lift all the way. And this flip up bar right here is the block that keeps the cot from rolling forward into the ambulance when you don't want it to. Push the down button on the Mac lift, bring it all the way to the floor. Now the cot is ready to be loaded onto the Mac lift. And in this case, generally you're going to want to put the patient all the way down. And then pull this safety bar up. Now the cot can't roll off the Mac lift. Push the Mac lift switch all the way to the up position. It'll stop at it's already set to stop at the right position. And then in order to get the cot into the patient, you're going to release the plate that matches up with the floor. Roll the cot in, and you're done. So now we're going to put it back together. And when you do, you bring it down to a level position, semi-level, so that you can fold it back up. So you're folding it up, fold it up. Little latches on each fold. And then you're going to fold this bar, this plate here flat, fold this over, and now it's ready. Now you're going to get it as level as you can to push it back in. In order to push it back in, you have to pull this lock cable again, push it in, push it all the way in, push this button all the way down, and now it's locked in place, and it won't pull out on its own. Again, this safety bar is just a redundant feature for this particular customer, so it is available. It's held in with a clevis pin. So if you don't have a Mac lift, generally you're going to have a flip-up step right here, which is just to give you better tire clearance from the cot itself. So that flip-up step makes it easier for the wheels to pass up by the bumper. But even without the flip-up step, and if you have a Mac lift, and let's say you don't want to use the Mac lift to load a patient, you can pull the cot out, and you will have to bear the weight of the cot and the patient. You bring it out, lower the wheels, and now it's caught on the safety hook there, and now the cot comes out. So in order to reload the cot, whenever you are not using the Mac lift, you just bring it up to that position, hit the minus button, pull it back to the safety catch, lift the wheels up, and roll it in. And you're done. Hope that explained everything that you want to know about the Mac lift, and or not using the Mac lift, or being able to use it whenever you want to. Ask me any questions that you want to, and thank you.